Okay, so today we're making a set of press-on nails, and I just wanted to show you the colors lined up in order so you can get a really good look at them right here. These are the VARNAIL 48 watt cat eye gel polishes that I had shown in my last video where I just swatched them, but in that video I did swatch them on a black base. These right here are on a completely clear nail tip, and honestly I think they look even more beautiful this way. So starting from left to right, we have pink petal, pink pitaya, Maldives green, green grape, blue ice, and little mermaid. So the only one that I didn't use in this set is this vintage jewel gold shade, but I did swatch that in my last video showing these, so if you're interested you can go check that out. I'll link it somewhere in the description or in the comments. So what really I wanted to make this video about today was showing you how to properly use the VARNAIL Raindrop Topcoat Set. So it comes with a step 1 and a step 2, as you can see right here in this really cute pink packaging. So you start with step 1, paint it on as you would a regular top coat, cure for 60 seconds, and then you do step 2, which is going to give you the raindrop effect. And I have to say, this was so much easier than doing this with like builder gel or nail glue, like rhinestone glue, whatever, and it is no wipe, so you don't have to like top coat over your drops again, which can make them not look as 3D. So I did this one off camera, and this is on the pink pitaya shade. So it's a hot pink cat eye. It's so beautiful. They're just perfect raindrops, and I didn't use this right in my last video, so I wanted to make sure I clarified for you guys that this works beautifully. That was my mistake. So we're gonna get into doing that on the rest of these nails right here.